Hey guys, so I'm here today with something I'm pretty excited about. And I'm coming to you here, barefaced and all. This was gonna be, I think, a relatively short video. I wasn't planning on doing a super long one. And I just didn't feel like putting on makeup. Plus, part of the premise behind this video and like the book reviews that I'm doing is all about like natural beauty and like glowing from the inside with food. So I figured, you know, bare skin would probably be okay. Even with this, you know, fun thing happening on the middle of my forehead here. So, like I said, what I've got today is a book review, or two book reviews, for two new books by Jules Aron. She's actually the author of a vegan cheese cookbook, which I've had on my wish list forever but haven't picked up because the thought of making vegan cheese seems kind of intimidating to me, but maybe it's not. Based on her new books, maybe it's not, so maybe I'll pick it up after this. But she had reached out to me and told me that she was writing two new books and wondered if I would be interested in reviewing them. And when I reviewed the press release and the information on the books and what they were about, because I definitely don't review books over here on my channel. I've reviewed a couple of cookbooks like way in the past, but I've deleted them because they were not very good. But when I read about what the books were about, I definitely thought that they would be a great fit for my channel and that a lot of you guys would really be interested in them as well. So she's come out with two new books at the same time. These were released on March 6th. And they're called Fresh and Pure, which is a do-it-yourself beauty book. Beauty bombs and cleansers it says, but it's all kinds of things. There's masks and toners and all kinds of beauty products, makeup even, and there's even a little section in the back if you want to throw yourself like a DIY, you know, beauty party. There's some drinks in here, some snacks and things like that. So this is all about DIY beauty. And then the second book is Nourish and Glow, which is foods and elixirs. So this is all about naturally beautifying foods that are good for you, whole plant-based foods. So they are both vegan books. Every ingredient and recipe in them is completely vegan, which is why I also thought it was a great fit for my channel. And I've only had these books a little while, so I haven't gotten to play with them as much as I want to, because I have a lot of things checked off in each one that I want to do, but I wanted to do at least one recipe from each book to sort of give you a little taste. So let's talk about the Beauty Bombs and Cleansers one first. This one is filled with all kinds of simple, beautiful, natural DIYs, using ingredients like aloe vera, clays, maple syrup, oats, apple cider vinegar, almond oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil. And there's lots of different sections in the book. So there's facial skincare, which has things like cleansers, cleansing oils, moisturizers, elixirs, serums, masks, face polish, toners. And there's also natural makeup, which has got things like a coconut lip scrub, lip treatment, blush, bronzer, mascara, eyeliner, makeup remover. Body care, which has things like body scrubs, soaks, bath salts, bath bombs, shower tablets, body wraps, body butters, body oils, and foot care, which has healing salves, hand sanitizer. So if you want to make your own hand sanitizer, it says a moisturizing hand sanitizer. That one actually is standing out to me. So I would like to look at that one. So that one is witch hazel, aloe vera, grapefruit essential oils, and lavender essential oils. So if you even don't like the more natural hand sanitizer options, that's one. And then there's Haircare, which has got some shampoo, dry shampoo, deep hair conditioner, hair repair mask, beach day hairspray, which I'm assuming is a sea salt spray. Yep, water, sea salt, coconut oil, aloe vera gel. Health and hygiene, which has got, this is all about teeth. It's got mouth rinse, deodorant, flu and sinus vapor rub, after sun relief spray, and then spa day treats, which has things like cardamom rose chia pudding, lemongrass sparkler, magical mushroom hot cacao, thyme and scallion flatbread, young coconut ceviche. So lots of delicious sounding things in there. Be Still My Beating Heart red velvet truffles. How good does that look? So the one recipe that I did go ahead and do in here, and I'm going to insert not a demo of me making it because it's pretty simple, and I made it ahead just to make sure that it would turn out okay, and then the ingredients that I needed my son ate the rest of. So I made the acai berry facial mask. I'll show you the picture here. So this is a gentle exfoliating mask with bananas, acai powder, fresh blackberries, and avocado oils. All that just gets jizzed up into a blender, and then you just paint it all over. It says it makes one treatment, but I think it makes at least 2 treatments, especially my banana was pretty big. So when it works to tighten skin and minimizes pores. It was also very, very moisturizing. When I took it off, my skin just felt really smooth, really soft, really nourished. So all you need is just a few like kitchen essentials to make some fun masks. A couple others that I've got saved to do again at another time is the Beauty Carrot Mask, which has got carrot juice, turmeric, and kale and clay. Another one I've got saved is the Strawberries and Cream Face Polish, which is coconut cream, strawberries, and goji berries. So there's a lot of really exciting, fun DIY recipes in here. So if you are someone who loves DIY, but maybe you like run out of ideas or you want some new ideas, definitely check this book out. I will leave it linked below. You can get it on Amazon, but it's definitely beautiful. There's lots of pictures inside. Pretty much for almost every recipe there is a picture, and I love pictures, cookbooks and recipe books and whatever with pictures. They're definitely more fun and interesting than books without pictures. So the other book is the Nourish and Glow Foods and Elixirs, and I did make a recipe out of here as well. I made it today. I love banana bread. I've shared with you guys my favorite banana bread recipe. So when I saw that there was a banana bread recipe in here, and it's actually gluten-free, it's got better ingredients than the one that I make. Mine is made with canola oil, and I have been wanting to sort of switch out canola oil for a while, but I never know with what. I've tried that recipe with applesauce before, and it just did not turn out good. So when I saw this banana bread recipe in here, and I've got some bananas that were like perfect for banana bread, I knew that I had to make it. So it is coconut oil, bananas, maple syrup, vanilla, and then it's made with oat flour and almond meal instead of regular flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. I actually really enjoyed it. It does have it has 4 bananas in it, but it actually has a pretty strong coconut flavor from the coconut oil. So I would definitely call it like a banana coconut bread, but it was actually really good. You can add even things into it to make it, you know, more interesting, like nuts or coconut flakes in it. And then you have sort of like a tropical banana bread. But I thought that was really good. I haven't tried to bake anything gluten-free in a very long time, because the last time I tried, my muffins that I made came out horrible. But this is actually very nice. I liked the oat flour. It had a very nice texture. You probably wouldn't even be able to tell that it's gluten-free if you didn't know it. It just was it was a very nice texture. So then since I went through the sections of the last cookbook, so we've got morning starters with things like acai bowls, banana bread, like I said, the breakfast bars, mixed berry compote, and we've got supercharged snacks. Things like vegetable chips, smoked carrot bacon, smoky eggplant caviar, green pea and mint hummus with spirulina oil drizzle, a cup of comfort, so the vegetable beauty broth, seaweed detox broth, mushroom chowder, green gazpacho, Thai noodle nourish bowl, and I have the healing kale and lentil dal stew saved to make at a later date. That one looks really good. Then we also got salads and slaws. So dandelion spring salad, avocado and heirloom tomato tartare, kale Thai salad with spicy cashews, entrees and mains, eggplant lasagna, rainbow noodles with marinara and lentil balls, jackfruit carnitas taco, smoky portobello steak with chimichurri sauce. That sounds good. Sweet endings, so desserts. We've got the blueberry maki cheesecake, which maki is showing up in a lot of different beauty products now, so maki in food. I mean, it is a food. You can buy the maki powder at like Whole Foods. Raw matcha key lime cheese cupcakes, carrot cake donuts with citrus cream cheese frosting. There's the picture for that one. That one actually sounds really good. That one is made with almond flour. So I'm pretty sure that all the recipes in here are gluten-free, and they're all vegan, I know that. And we've also got homemade provisions. So that's things like basic vegan cheeses, yogurts and spreads, pickles and ferments. So I'm actually really excited about both of these books. I'm not a DIYer, but I love the recipes in here, and a lot of them are very interesting and by the pictures very beautiful. I would totally do a lot of these DIYs, and if you're someone who likes DIYs already, this would be a great a great sort of like companion book to pick up to, like, you know, all your other DIYs already. And if you're looking for more like whole plant-based recipes that are gluten-free and I'm pretty sure soy-free, then definitely check out also the Nourish and Glow Food and Elixirs book. So many of the recipes in here look so good, and we're trying to eat a lot healthier and a lot cleaner. We eat a lot of processed foods, we do. I consider us pretty healthy because we eat, at least I eat, me and my son eat an entirely vegan diet. I try to feed my husband a vegan diet as much as possible, but sometimes he goes off the rails and eats fish every once in a while. He's mainly gone off to eggs and cheese, but fish every once in a while he still eats. But I definitely want to incorporate more whole foods into our diet and less processed foods. So I'm actually really excited about this book. They seem like really accessible, easy recipes, so I'm excited to give more of these a try and let you guys know my thoughts on more of these recipes later on. Probably show up in a few favorites videos, I would imagine, when I make some of these recipes. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. I will leave the links for both of those books down below. You can get them on Amazon or wherever books are sold. So I hope you check them out. I was really excited to receive them, and I'm really excited to continue making from them. And I will link below a couple of other blogs that I know that have made some recipes and done some reviews, so you can get some more ideas on, you know, what other people think of the recipes. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.